Hello everyone. In this video, we will go to discuss the solutions to repair and recover the corrupted, inaccessible, or permanently deleted Outlook PST emails. PST files stores important data items like emails, contacts, tasks, meetings, calendar items, etc. Unlike other file formats, PST files are also prone to errors and corruption. They can get corrupted due to certain reasons such as virus attack, Exchange crash, Outlook error, hard drive failure, or improper system or Outlook application shutdown. Hence, while using the MS Outlook application, if any kind of issue occurs, the chance of losing the PST data increases. So we have come up with DRS PST file repair software that is one of the most suitable Outlook PST repair tool, which is proficient in recovering not just corrupted data but also has the capability to recover deleted PST emails. The PST recovery tool allows users to store the data in various output formats such as HTML, EML, PST, MSG, DBX, MBOX, VCF, ICS, and text files. Now let's check out the other features of PST recovery software. Support both 32-bit ANSI and 64-bit Unicode PST for PST file recovery. Recovers entire PST items such as emails, contacts, attachments, calendars, appointments, etc. Easily handle alignment errors in PST and supports non-English characters. Swift recovery of encrypted and password-protected Outlook PST files. Widely compatible with all the versions of Windows OS and MS Outlook. Apart from these features, the PST recovery software has a user-friendly GUI for a non-technical person. Now let's install and run the PST repair and recovery software. Click the Open button to select PST files to recover. If you know the location of your PST files, simply click the Browse button and select the corrupt PST file. Or if you don't know the location, click the Search button. Now again click the Browse button to define a location where you think the PST files are stored. The defined location will be listed in the Edit box. Click the search icon to start the searching operation. Choose the PST file you want to repair, and click OK. Now select the recovery settings. First start with selecting the recovery modes, Standard, Advanced, or Deep mode. Provide the PST file details like file type and file encryption type. Also, define auto-detect and non-English characters recovery options. Click OK to start the scanning process. Again click OK after the scanning process finishes. Now select the PST items that you want to recover and click the Save button. Now use the Browse button to choose the file saving location. Choose a location on the system where you want to save the recovered mailbox content. Click OK. Now select Save as PST option to save all the recovered data into a new PST file. Also, define other options like hierarchy starts and adding PST to Outlook. Pick a date range for saving the recovered data. Click Add Date Range button to add the selected date range. Click OK to start the saving process. Within a couple of minutes, the saving process will be completed. Click OK and close the application. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.